Hello, and a warm welcome to 3D Cartoon Plus.
On the island of Luzon, an old house stood on top of Mount Pinatubo. Many birds would gather here to sing. Everyone enjoyed their singing. One night, the birds were awakened by an ear-shattering sound. They saw a lizard with orange spotted scales.
I am Tuko the gecko. I have a lovely voice and wish to sing for all. Tuko, 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 Tuko.
This went on for many days. The birds could not sleep or sing. They tried to get Tuko to stop, but he never listened. Finally, the eagle came up with a brilliant idea. Tuko, what is your favorite food?
I like rhinoceros beetles the best.
The eagle flew to a gum tree and pecked on it. Sap oozed out from the bark. Catching the liquid in half a coconut shell, she formed the rubbery sap into 5 rhinoceros beetles and presented them to Tuko.
Tuko! Chomp, chomp, chomp on beetle number 1. Tuko! Chomp, chomp, chomp on beetle number 2. Tuko! Tuko! Chomp, chomp, chomp on the 3rd and the 4th.
He stopped because he could chomp no more. His tongue was stuck to his teeth from the gum. To separate his tongue from his teeth, he pushed his feet and tail into his mouth. But all he managed to do was to roll himself into a ball. Soon, he started to roll down the mountain.
A great idea, my friend.
The swarm down there will have many more juicy beetles. Relieved, the birds cheered and resumed their singing. Everybody on Mount Pinatubo enjoyed their bird song again.